Accounting MBA first year subject. What is accounting? Accounting is the process recording, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting of financial transactions and information of the organization or individual. It's the fundamental aspect of business and financial management, providing a systematic way to track and communicating financial data. Simply, accounting is the system. It means controlling, analyzing, and summarizing of financial information. Then, key aspect of accounting includes first, recording transaction. The recording transaction in this involve documentation financial transaction as they occur. Those transactions can include sales, purchase, expenses, loan, and more. The process after start with the use sources of document like receipt, invoice, and bank statement. Then second, classification of classification and categorizing. The transactions are categorizing into various accounting such as asset, liability, equity, income, and expenses. Those categories help in organization financial data for the analysis. Then third is dual entry system. Accounting is follow the dual entry system where every transaction effect are list to account. This is ensure that the accounting equation asset is equal to liability plus equity remains in balance. So summarizing and posting. The transaction of properly summarizing and posting to the ledger where account balance are maintained. The ledger providing detailed record of which account activity. Then financial statement like the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement are the prepared based on the for the ledger. Those statements providing the organization financial health. Then 6. Analysis. Accounting analysis is financial data to assess performance, making financial decision and plan for the future. Ratio and other financial material are the after use for the purposes. Then auditing. Auditing involves the revenue of on organization of financial record to ensure the accurate and compliance with the accounting standard and regulation of auditors may in internal or external to the organization. Then taxation. Accounting play in circumstances role in calculating the reporting tax on government authorized. Then managerial accounting.